The Danucera 5-step ritual works in harmony to deliver results that you can see and feel. You want to use Cerabalm as your first step. This removes makeup super gently. It's not going to strip the skin. You can massage this in. You can use it as a mask. You could use it on your lips, your cuticles. It is your one-stop shop for nourishment. You would take a small pea-sized amount, dry hands, dry skin. You would work it into the skin. You can go over the eyes, really take the time to work it into those muscles and relax the skin. You would remove this with the Danucera washcloth. You can use the rough side to make sure you thoroughly get everything off the skin. It's going to lightly exfoliate as well to help with texture. You can also use Cerabalm as your second cleanse. You would add a little bit of water to the product. It creates a really nice milky texture, and this is going to thoroughly cleanse the skin, cleanse the pores without stripping. For the second cleanse, you would use the muslin side of the washcloth. That is the softer side, so it's not going to be as harsh on the skin, and that's going to thoroughly remove everything else.